Good evening.
Good evening, children. Hope everyone are fine. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Let everyone join. Then I'll start the class.
Hi, ma'am. This is Sukshit, ma'am.
Hello, dear. Can you hear me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Very, very good evening. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Let everyone join. Then I'll start the class. Okay? Yes. Till then, let me
Okay,
just
ma'am.
try to mark your attendance. Now, whoever will come later will get to know. Can mark their attendance that time. Not able to take attendance. Yeah, it's okay. I'll take a screenshot and update later. Yes.
We are finished forces. We have to pressure.
Sorry.
Ma'am, you have finished forces and you have to explain pressure.
Yeah, I know. All good. Everyone are fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Did everyone join the class? You people will not be able to chat. Okay. And I am going to mute everyone during the session. When I am teaching, I don't want any disturbance. So I'll mute everyone for now. And once I finish teaching one topic, I'll unmute. I'll let you people unmute. And then you people can answer me. Okay. Or any questions you have, you can ask. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or if you get any question in the middle when I am teaching, you have an option called raise hand. So use that, then I will unmute you so that you can ask me the question.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't mute everyone. Oh,
No, ma'am.
yeah, now I did. Yes, today we will study about pressure. So what do you mean by pressure? Pressure is nothing but the amount of force which is acting on a surface. Okay. Now consider like this pen. I keep it here like this. Okay. I'll be pushing it. So it will prick me because the point is the nib is very pointed. Therefore, what will happen? It will prick me. But the pen, if I keep it reverse and then I press, will not get hurt. Correct? So therefore, we can say that the now what happened in the first case? In the first case, the tip is having very small area, right? And in the second case, the tip has a very large area. Therefore, we can say that force is nothing, sorry, the pressure is nothing but it is the force acting on unit area of a surface. So we can write pressure is equal to force by area. Means if the area is small, then the pressure will be more. If the area is big, then the pressure will be less. That's what happened with the pen. When we prick it with the tip of the pen, the area will become less. Therefore, the pressure applied on the body will become more. If I keep it like this, the reverse, then the area is more. Therefore, the pressure applied on the body will become less. Okay. Now, I have a question for you people. So let me unmute you, everyone. It's better I keep everyone unmuted always. One minute, children. Yes, now I have a question. Have you people heard about Bhishmacharya in Mahabharat?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
did he die?
Ma'am, in the area of rose.
And
Area of
that
Array of rose. Oh, okay. He was sleeping on the bed of a row of arrows, right?
Yes, ma'am.
He was sleeping on the bed of
yes,
arrows.
ma'am.
So if you say arrow, what is the shape of the arrow? It's very much pointed. I can say this is the shape of the arrow, right? So this edge, so he was keeping many arrows like this. And on this he was sleeping, it seems. Can anyone sleep on this? Hmm?
No,
No.
No. Then how could he sleep like that on that?
ma'am, because of there was more surface area.
Yes. If you keep one arrow, it is not possible. But there was a number of arrows arranged in the form of a bed, right? Therefore, what happened to the surface area? Surface area got distributed. Hmm? So when the surface area gets distributed, means we are like increasing the surface area. So what happened to the pressure? Pressure decreased. Understood? Hmm? Okay. Now I have one more question. Can you stand? Do you know the paper cups what you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Can you stand on that paper cup?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I'll say
No,
I
ma'am.
can stand.
Ma'am, even I can
How?
if we keep more paper cups.
Sorry, if you keep.
More paper cups.
More paper.
Yes, and not only more, you can stand only on 4 paper cups only. But what you have to do is you have to take one support like this, something like a cardboard or anything. Okay. Keep 4 or 5 paper cups, 4 paper cups in each corner and one in the center, and you can stand on it. Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, even I have heard about it that 70 balloons can make a car, or it can stand a car.
Yeah.
Less than 70.
I don't know about the count and all, but if you keep many like that, we can do it. Why? Because the surface area what we are doing by doing all these experiments. When I told the styrofoam cups, when I keep the styrofoam cups like this, so what I'm doing, I am distributing the surface area, correct? If I have single styrofoam cups are nothing but those paper cups are called styrofoam cups. Okay. So if I am having a single cup, then I cannot do it. Correct. In the same way, if I have to balance a book in one finger like this, it's little difficult. Some people will do it. You people rotate the books, right? You will rotate the ball also. The what is that? The basketball. You people will rotate on one finger. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a totally different concept. You will learn those concepts later when you come to your higher classes.
Ma'am, can you repeat what were you saying? We were not audible for some time.
I was mute. No. Okay. Now, what I am telling is when we do that styrofoam experiment, or when we keep those cups in all the four corners and one in the center or two in the center like that, then easily we can stand on it. How is it possible? Because we are distributing, or we are increasing the surface area, correct? By increasing the surface area, we can decrease the pressure, right? So these are few examples. Now, if the this is a nail, right? If this nail, how do I, if I have to prick it into the wall, what should I do? I have to put the pointed edge towards the wall, and then the other edge towards me, so that I can prick it inside the wall, right? If I keep it reverse, will I be able to move this nail inside the wall? Not possible. In the same way, the knife, one edge of the knife is very sharp. That sharp edge will be very thin also, correct? It will be
Yes, ma'am.
thin also. Therefore, what will happen? This thin edge, whatever is there, it will get what is that? It will have more,
Penetrating.
less energy. I mean, less surface area. The thinner it is, lesser is the surface area. Correct? So when we have less surface area, what will happen? The pressure will be more. So easily we can cut the vegetables. How much ever hard is the vegetable? See, when you compare to a tomato and a potato has, or a potato is harder compared to a tomato, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So with the same knife, you are cutting both the vegetables, whether it is a hard vegetable or a soft vegetable like tomato. You are using the same knife, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. So by increasing the area, we will decrease the pressure, and by decreasing the area, we can increase the pressure. That is the reason the belts of this school bags, how wide they are, that much less pressure we will get on the shoulders. So next time whenever you're picking up your bag, make sure that this strap is wide enough, so that the pressure which falls on your shoulders will be less. Okay. Next, did
Ma'am,
you
I can
understand?
also do that by center of gravity, no, ma'am.
I'm sorry, which one?
Center of gravity.
What is center of gravity? Why are you talking about center of gravity now? I didn't
Ma'am,
understand.
spinning of
Yeah,
ball in
that's
the.
that's what I said. That is a different concept. I'll tell you later. I told.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
we
ma'am.
should copy this, ma'am.
Yeah. Once you people finish copying, tell me.
Okay.
Every time you used to copy, right? You people, do you do it or not?
Yes,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
do.
Then why do
We
you
are
people ask me? When you know, why do you people ask me? Once you people finish writing, tell me.
done.
Okay, I'll go to the next one now. So we understood the definition of pressure.
Ma'am,
So
1
what?
minute. I'm done.
So next we have, is pressure applied by, first tell me, is pressure applied by liquids and gases?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then
Yes, ma'am.
how and where and when will be applied?
Mom, when we keep or when we take a bottle and hold it in the bottom of the bottle, if the
When an
water
air
will
is
flow
compressed.
fast. It will flow
Yes.
fast
Yes. The same concept
and
is
complete
used.
the
Yes, the same concept. So what he told is, I have a bottle. Okay. There is water in this bottle. If I make a hole at this position, the water which is falling here will be faster when compared to I make a hole at this position. Correct? Why? Because the pressure here will be more by the liquid, because down, see, if you are a swimmer, you will know very well. Down and down, I mean, deep inside the water you go, the pressure of water is more on you. Correct? So what is happening? All the weight of the body, all the weight of the water will be falling on you. Right? Therefore, you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
feel that pressure. But when you are on top surface, then you will not feel that pressure. Okay, same thing happens here also. So as we go down deep inside, the pressure applied by the water on the surface will be more. Okay, and when I have a balloon, consider this is a balloon. There is air molecules in this, right? So these air molecules, they will be exerting pressure. Where will they exert pressure? They will exert pressure on the surface. Okay, that is what is given here. So let us read what is given. Okay, liquids exert pressure on the walls of the containers. Correct? And liquids exert pressure on the bottom of a container also. So it depends upon the height of the liquid. Got it? Then see, the same concept what we told about the bottle here, the same concept is used in the syntax tank. So what is the syntax tank? The tank what they keep it on top of the house. Okay. Usually what they do, they don't directly keep it on top of the house. They will raise the height for some more level and then keep the water tank. Why? Because as they raise the height, the pressure will start, the pressure will be more. Therefore, when you turn on your tap in your house, the water pressure will be very good. Understood? Next, liquids exert sideways pressure. Sideways pressure means, now 1 minute. Sideways pressure means, suppose you consider I have a bottle of water, or a bottle of glass. I mean, I have a glass bottle filled with water. Or don't want glass bottle. Consider a plastic bottle only. But it is a little brittle, you consider that plastic bottle. But that plastic bottle, as soon as it falls, what will happen to the water? It will splash outside, correct? Why it is splashing? Because it was exerting pressure on the walls of the container. Okay. Therefore, so when the water bottle breaks, it will not slowly come outside, it will splash outside. Got it? In the same way, Liquids also exert pressure at the same height. Okay, same pressure will be there at the same height. Means I have a, sorry, consider this is my container. So I have water in this container. Okay, I make a hole in at this position, I make a hole at this position. Both the position are at same height, no? Therefore, at the same height, both the holes will have same amount of pressure applied. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next, whether gases apply pressure, we will understand. So gases also apply pressure, right? Because of that pressure of gas, if you fill air inside a tube, you can easily float on it, right? Have you seen a balloon bursting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
the-
ma'am.
So when it bursts, what is happening there? So I told you already, correct? If this is a balloon, so it is applying pressure on the molecules. What molecules are there inside? Gas molecules are there, correct? So these gas molecules will be exerting pressure on the walls. In all the directions, it will be exerting pressure. Same thing will happen with the tube, cycle tube. This is cycle tube, or any other tube, vehicle tube. These are all swimming tubes, what we use for floating purpose, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yes. So
Ma'am, can you
if
go to
you,
the previous slide?
1 minute, if you have to understand whether this is applying pressure or not, so how will you I'll give you one simple experiment. You can do it at home. If you have a balloon, fill the balloon with water. Not water. Fill the balloon with air. Okay. Leave. No, don't make it too much tight. Leave it little loose. Then try to press a small ball on it and leave your hand. What will happen is the ball will bounce like anything, because when I press the balloon, what will happen? When I press a balloon, means already it was creating pressure, already it was exerting pressure on the walls like this. What I did to the area here, I decreased the area. When I compress the balloon, we are decreasing the area. So what will happen to the pressure? Pressure will increase, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I leave that compression, what will happen? That pressure will release exactly immediately, right? Therefore, what happens? The ball will start bouncing. Got it? Okay. Somebody wanted the previous slide. Yes. You people can write it down.
I'm done.
See here, children. I have a balloon with me. So I'll show you that. Consider this one. Okay. I will just press it. So what happened? See what happened? I am pressing this. Therefore, I am creating. It just bounced. Okay. See, when I am pressing it like this, what am I doing with the area? I am decreasing the area. Correct? So when I decrease
Yes,
the
ma'am.
area, what happens to the pressure? What is inside the balloon? inside the
It
balloon, the
increases.
pressure will increase. So slowly, even if I slip it, what is happening to the block? The block just flies. See, if I just keep it like this and leave, nothing is happening. But if I press it a little inside and then I just leave it, so what will happen to the block? It will just fly. Understood? Yes. So that is how the liquids, even if I have water inside that balloon, then that water also will have the same type of nature. Okay, water also will do the same type. Understood? If that was a water balloon and if I have water filled in it, and same thing I do, again that block will fly. Got it? Okay. So since I had this materials with me, I just wanted to show you people. So now we understood that how liquids and gases exert pressure. So both of them, they exert pressure on the walls of the container. Correct? So when I say walls of the container, even the bottom surface is also called the wall of a container. Next, you people can keep your video on. Let the audio be off and keep your videos on throughout the class so that I can see you people. No harm in keeping the video on. Keep it on. Yes, good. Okay. So next, what do you mean by atmospheric pressure? We will understand. Okay. So now atmospheric pressure is the pressure which is exerted by the surrounding air. Do we have air surrounding us? Yes. Yeah, you just have to nod your head. I will understand. So only I'm telling, keep your videos on and just respond. Whenever I ask any question, you can unmute and answer me. Yes. So we have atmosphere around us, correct? So that atmosphere will be always exerting pressure on us. Okay. How is it? It is because of the atmospheric pressure is because of the weight of air. Does air has weight in it? Yes, it has weight in it. Okay. Now see here, they have given the weight of an air column. They have an air column here. This is an air column, means nothing but it is a tube which is containing air in it. Air column is nothing but a tube which has air filled in it. Okay. And they have given it is a cuboid type, a cube type. So all this, all the faces are of same length, 10 centimeters. Okay. The weight of an air column of the height of the atmosphere. So height of the atmosphere is in some kilometers, correct? And area is 10 into 10 centimeter is as large as how much? 1000 kg.
1 quintal.
Sorry, yes, correct.
1 ton.
1 ton.
1 ton, not 1 quintal. Okay, how much is quintal?
100 kg is quintal.
Quintal is 100 kg, 1000 kg this is. Okay. Yes. Okay. So there are few examples. You have seen the vacuum, this thing, what is that? Yeah, to the car windshield, or to the mirror, to the what is that? Windows of the car. You will put one black color thing, so that you will not get that sunlight inside. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fix it to the glass? You will have one this type thing, no? I'll show you.
Yes, we understood that one.
Something like this, it will be there. You just fix it. Correct? But is it
Yes,
easy to
ma'am.
remove it?
Oh,
No,
easy.
because what happens is there, whatever air will be present inside that, it will be having too much pressure. Okay, when you're pushing it like this, it means you're taking out all the air in that surface. You're creating vacuum inside. Okay, see in this they are showing one example. Sorry, here they are showing one example. This ball is nothing but it has vacuum inside. Okay, and if there is vacuum inside and so many horses and people, everyone are pulling it, but we cannot open it. Okay, because the atmosphere is exerting pressure on that from all the directions. Understood? Yes. Next we have to study about, we don't have to study anything. Do you people have any questions about force or about pressure? We will discuss some question answers now.
No, no, or no
Nobody
question.
has any questions? No
No,
doubts?
ma'am, no questions.
Yes. Turn on your video, children, everyone.
No, ma'am.
Turn on your videos, everyone. Keep it mute, but let the video be on. Yes, keep it on. It's okay. It's only me and you people and your friends. Correct? Okay. Now we'll discuss the question answers. So what is the first question here now? Force is due to motion, or is it due to an interaction or collision or none of
Motion.
these? Force is due to motion.
No, ma'am, an interaction.
Yes, force is due to interaction. Okay, so how did we define force? We said that force is said to be done when there is displacement, and when we said there are types of forces, interaction between two objects. Correct? Okay. Yes. Did you write down this question? Question answers you write down faster.
1 minute, ma'am, please.
What class you had today? Oh, you will not know.
Ma'am, 1 minute you'll show before slide, ma'am.
1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
That before slide, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, did you write down the question? And what is the answer? Answer is the force is due to an interaction. Okay. Next question. The CGS unit of force. What is the CG? What is the SI unit of force?
Vessel.
SI unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton, and CGS unit of force is dyne. Okay. CGS unit of force is dyne. SI unit is SI unit of force is Newton. CGS unit of force is dyne. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Writing.
Yes, ma'am, but writing 1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is 1 Newton is equivalent to how much dynes? So 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Which of the following is the
Ma'am, 1
example?
minute.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Next question is, which of the following are the examples of efforts of forces? Uh-oh. 1 minute, children. My power went off. I'll turn on the light. Okay, it's gone. The UPS turned on. What is this? Which of the following are the examples of effects of force? So what are the effects of force? Push is an effect of force.
All of the above.
Pull is an effect of force. Rolling is yeah, tell me now. A toy car starts moving when pushed.
All of the body.
Yes, yes, correct. All of them are the effect of force. Correct. Very good. Okay. Next. Write down, write down, write down, write down, write down, write down.
Ma'am, second and third question you'll show, ma'am. 1 minute.
Wait, let him write. Did you write this question?
Yes, ma'am. In that I wrote one wrong, ma'am.
Okay, okay. 1 minute, hold on. Did everyone write down this question? Bhargav Rama, Sukshit,
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
write fast. Turn on your videos, children. How many times I should tell you? Now, from now on, if you people turn off your video, I will mark absent and I will log you out also. I have an option to log you out. Keep the video on throughout, no problem.
Done, ma'am.
Finish writing everyone this question. Okay, I'll go to the previous one. Who wanted third and second? This is the second question. Who wanted?
Keshav.
Finish writing, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is
Third one,
third
ma'am.
question. Yes.
Finish.
Okay. Now next we have fourth question. So fourth question also we did. The answer is all the above. Yes. The force. What? You want fourth question again?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, the force applied by the archer to stretch the bow is an example of which type of force it is?
Muscular force.
Muscular
Yes,
force.
correct. Muscular force. So it is option B, muscular force. Done?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone finished? Shall I go to the next one?
1 minute. 1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Next, force can change in length, volume, area, or all the above.
All.
By applying force, can I change the length?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you consider a rubber band, we are changing the length of the rubber band when I stretch. When I stretch, I'm applying force. Correct. Yes. So by applying force, can you change the volume? Can you give me one example?
Ma'am, when we broke container.
Okay. Next, area.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Sponge.
So all the above is the correct answer.
Ma'am, can you show the fifth one? My laptop got off. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, tell me if this one is small one. Then
Sorry, I didn't get you, Hitesh. Sorry, Harsha.
this one is small.
Next question is, which one of the following force is a contact force? Force of gravity, force of friction, magnetic force, electrostatic.
Force of friction.
Force of friction.
Yes, it is force of friction. So next time onwards, what I will do is, when I'm doing the question answer session, each one of you one question I'll ask. You people have to answer only that question. Others have to keep quiet. When one person I ask, others have to keep quiet. Okay, finish writing this one.
1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Ma'am,
Yashraj. Yashraj, something wrong with your network? Okay, fine. Let me see who else is there. Wait, Harsha, you're answering from the time I can see you.
ma'am,
Yuvraj,
previous slide.
previous slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Harsha?
This previous slide, ma'am.
Okay. Now who is this? Whom did I call you?
Ma'am, me, Yuvraj.
Yes, Yuvraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. The wear and
The-
tear of a machine part is due to electrostatic force, muscular force, frictional force, or gravitational force. So when I say a machine, what is happening? It is working, correct?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
electrostatic. Ma'am, option A. Electrostatic force.
No, I'll tell you one.
Ma'am,
Okay. Who is that? You have to raise your hand. There's an option called raise hand. Four people. Okay, Sanjay, tell me. Sanjay. I'll give chance to everyone. Wait.
Frictional force, ma'am.
Correct. So when we say where a machine is working, consider a tire, consider your cycling. What happens to the cycle of the tire of your cycle? As and when you are using, the tire of the cycle gets worn out, correct? Why? Because when it is rotating on the road, it is having a friction with the road and the wheel. Therefore, there is wear and tear. In the same way, the parts of the machine also. Okay. Therefore, the answer is, what happened? Answer is frictional force. Good. Whoever told correct, good. Whoever didn't tell correct, okay, you'll have a chance. No problem. Next. If we apply oil on, okay, who will answer this is Yashraj. You have to answer me this question, okay? Try to answer. It's not like compulsory. If we apply oil on door hinges, the friction will increase, decrease, disappear.
Ma'am, increase.
The friction will increase.
Yes, ma'am.
If you apply oil somewhere, if you apply oil on the floor,
Ma'am, it will become smooth.
yeah, it will become smooth, means the friction is increasing or decreasing.
Ma'am, I don't know about my friction. Ma'am,
Now I'll
Increasing.
friction will increase.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargav, what is your answer?
ma'am,
B
increase.
will
I think,
decrease.
Huh?
Ma'am, increase.
B, it will decrease.
The friction will decrease. Friction will not increase when you apply oil. You said it will become smooth. Correct. For example, there is oil on the floor. If you keep your leg on that, what will happen? Will you be able to stand? You will fall down, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Means what? Friction became less. Therefore, you fell down. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
The friction will decrease when you apply oil. That is the reason we apply oil to, why do we give engine oil to any vehicle? Because when we say engine oil, the piston and the bore will be moving, right? When the piston and bore are moving, what will happen? There will be to and fro motion. It is like they will be rubbing against each other like this. Why do you put oil to the cycle chain?
To lose the chain.
Yes, and it when you apply oil to the cycle chain, it will make it smooth, right? Easily you can pedal. It will not get stuck anywhere. Okay. And if you put oil to the cycle chain frequently, regularly, your cycle will last for a long time. It will not give any problem to you. Correct? Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
oil will decrease the friction. Okay. Next question. Next question. Okay, you answer, Harsha. Shh, I'll give you. Okay, next question is, we slip on muddy road due to, say muddy road, how it is, slippery or not? Huh? Now your answer is not audible, dear.
Ma'am, it's slippery.
Yes, correct. Yes, Bhargav, what was your answer?
Lack of friction.
Yes, correct. One minute. Okay. Next question. Next question is,
A lot of calculators.
sorry, who told the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the answer for sixth one, ma'am?
Sixth one. I am in 10th question and you're asking me about sixth question. Who is that?
Ma'am.
Take her in. Yes, children. The force required to overcome at the instant of an object start moving from dash is a measure of dash. What is the answer for this? Sukshit, can you tell me the answer? Okay, Yuvraj is raising his hand from that time. Sorry. Tell me, dear. What is the answer for this? Can you tell me? Fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question with the blanks. You have to read. You have to tell the answer in each blank and read the question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The force required to overcome dash at
What
an
is dash?
instant.
What is that inside the
Uh,
dash? The force required to overcome,
Ma'am, it's friction.
yes, friction at the instant of an object starts moving from
Rest.
rest is a measure of
Static.
static friction.
Yes, ma'am.
On the other hand, the force required to keep the object moving. Correct?
Sliding. friction.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
sliding friction also we can say. Either we can say static friction or sliding friction. So the
Okay.
option is
Option A.
A. Correct. Good. Did everyone write down?
No, ma'am.
I think I should give a test now because you people are not reading. Huh?
Can you show 1 minute 10th question, ma'am? Done, ma'am. Ma'am, what test, ma'am?
Hmm?
Ma'am, you were saying about the test.
I didn't say anything. I just told I should give a test because you people are not reading.
Not like that.
Not like that. Okay, I'll go to the next question. So next question is, an atmosphere is a unit of pressure, is a unit of force, gives us an idea of composition of air, or is the height above which there is no air. Yes, tell me, Harsha.
Unit of pressure.
Unit of pressure. Bhargav Rama.
Gives us an idea to composition of air.
Gives us an idea of composition of air. Who else? Yes, Sukshit.
C1, ma'am.
C. Gives us an idea of composition of air. Who else?
Ma'am,
Yes. Questions,
option A.
answers. No. Option C is correct. It is not the unit of pressure. Unit of pressure is Pascal. Okay. Unit of pressure is Pascal. Fine. Did you people write down this? Make a note of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll go to the next question. So the next question is, force of 200 Newton is applied on an object of area 4 meters per second. Okay. The pressure will be how much? So they are given. See, 1 minute. How to solve this type of question is, first you have to write what is given. Okay. So what is given here? They have given force. Force is how much? 2 Newton. Force I will write it as F. F is equal to 200 Newton. That is given. Then they have also given area. A is given area. Okay. Area is 4 meters square. And they have asked you what is the pressure. We have the formula, pressure is equal to force by area. Correct? So force is how much? 200 divided by 4. Okay. So we will divide 4 ones are 4 fives are 20. So one more 0 if I put, I will get 4 50s are is 200. Correct? So how much did I get now? Pressure. Yes, pressure is equal to 50. Now how to write the unit? You can see here. See, what is the unit for force? Unit for force is Newton. Correct? Unit for area is meter square. But meter square is down. So we will write it as meter square inverse. So what is the option here? Option A is the correct option. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand, ma'am.
Who did not understand?
Keshav.
Keshav, what you did not understand? Tell me. Okay, I'll solve it again. Okay, listen
ma'am.
carefully. Let me change the color of the pen and then solve it. Okay. Now, whenever this type of numerical problem is given, what you have to do is what is given data you have to write down. Okay. So given, what is given here? Read the question again. Force of 200 Newton. So force is given. So force is how much? 200 Newton. It is given. Okay. Is applied to an object of area. So they have given area. Area is equal to 4 meters square. Okay. What is it? The pressure will be, how much is the pressure then? If force is this much and area is this much, what is the pressure they are asking? Okay. We know the formula for
Ma'am, I
pressure.
got this one, ma'am.
1 minute. PRE
Okay,
is
ma'am.
pressure is equal to force divided by area. So force is how much? 200 divided by 4. Do this division. How much you will get?
50 N.
50 you get. Correct? So here it is Newton, here it is meter square. Right? So if I have to write the unit now, so I will write Newton as it is. So per meter square, I can either write it like this, the unit, or anything which is in the denominator, when it goes to numerator, what will happen to the power?
Negative.
Power
Minus,
will
ma'am.
become negative.
Negative.
So I can write it like this: 50 Newton meter square will become -2. Correct? Understood now?
Ma'am, we can write like the same this only, ma'am. 50 N by M
Yes, you can write
meter
like
square. ma'am.
meter square also you can write, or you can write it like this. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
But here, since it is a multiple choice question, what they have given you have to see. Sometimes what they will do, you know, they will give 50 only. 2 answers will be 50. One they will give like this, Newton meter square, like this, how they have given this one only. And one more they will give, suppose this is also 50 Newton meter. Which is correct now? A or B?
A.
A is only correct because this unit is wrong. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So you have to see the
Ma'am.
unit also before you mark the options. Got it? Or if they give one more option, suppose if they have given 50 meter, is it correct? No. Only 50 Newton per meter square is only correct. Okay. Next question is the pressure exerted by a liquid dash with depth. It will increase or decrease? Yes. Tell me the answer, Yuvraj.
Ma'am, it will
Can I,
increase.
ma'am?
It will?
Increase.
Yes, it will increase with
Increase.
the depth. Correct. Done. Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When a ship I think. Okay, we'll continue in the next class, children. It's already time. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Any doubts? You 3 people, Sukshit, Yuvraj?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, no
No,
Sukshit?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Steady, whatever is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Next class, I want everyone to answer. Everyone, I'll be asking the questions. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.